feel like this. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for you, you know, like months.
Okay, we're actually doing this. So today I bring you my first ever fashion video.
Yay!
Okay, so like go easy on me. I don't know if I know what I'm doing, but here we go.
Yay!
I'm Akuchi, and my whole personality trait right now is figuring things out. And that goes from personalized to fashion. And today we're looking at the fashion aspect of that, of how to make outfits that actually make sense. And you know, this is also a fashion channel. As much as we want self-improvement stuff, this is very much a fashion channel too. Oh my god, I feel so YouTuber right now. Anyways, the objective of this video is basically to show people who struggle with putting together outfits, clothes that make sense. This video is also for the Color Riot besties. We love you. I actually do love it when people experiment with fashion and do weird things. I just like, okay, they are figuring things out. That's my whole motto. So good for them. And anyhow, this just meant to be an easy hack to put together good outfits. And if you're one of those people who only think the only good thing for you to wear is one pieces or two pieces sets because like they are matching, this is for you too. Anyways, I will transition and be right back. I'm wearing a blazer for you guys, and I'm distracting with my background because why has it been nearly a whole month? I started filming this video at the start. Well, I think 1st of November or so, not the first, but around that beginning November, and now it's like 24th. Anyways, welcome back, and today I have my laptop with my comprehensive script. Ideally, I would screen record a lot of things because that would be literally so helpful. Page script that, you know, a little AI helped me with, but you know, it's not completely AI. I did the design myself. Anyway, so much for a quick transition. In a world where everyone is telling you how to dress better, why are you still struggling with putting outfits that you feel good in? I'm part of this demographic of people trying to figure out how to dress better. Well, I'm not telling you, I'm learning with you. Okay, so a while ago this year, I really wanted to improve my style, find my personal style. I've said that a couple of times. So I wrote a little list of ways to appear more stylish, and I feel like that's a whole topic and a whole new video. But I'm just going to share the highlights right now. So the first one I wrote was stepping out of your comfort zone forces you to experiment with fashion. You know how people are like, oh, I got this from the girls will be like, oh, I got this from the men's section, and it always fits better. Basically, cross dress. Yes, I'm kidding, but we'll skip that to the next one. Um, Experiment with fashion. Don't be too scared to try out new things. It might look a little off, but that's how you learn. Don't be afraid to wear what you really want. Sometimes you can come up with an outfit in your head and you're like, do I really want to wear it out? Or do it for you? People's perception of you is literally none of your business.
We're on a personal style journey. You need to stop giving a what anyone thinks about your outfit.
And lastly, what I've been really taking into mind recently is that clothes in their own way tell a story. So like, what story is your outfit telling? My outfit today is say I want to feel confident because I didn't feel too confident before I started filming today. I was actually just stuttering and so afraid to talk on camera. People watch me. But here we are. We have our blazer as my armor. I'll show you my full fit later. What exactly is the sandwich styling method?
Remember light, light, dark for your next outfit. And it's super simple. Take all the light colors you
that I follow to make sure my outfits look better. Every item has a score of either 1 or 2 depending.
Sandwich outfit method. First, put on any top. Wear something that doesn't match the color, texture, or vibe of the top.
And sometimes I even break these rules. There really is no right or wrong way when it comes to fashion.
Okay, I'll start this by saying I'm in fashion talk. By the beginning of this year, 2024, I was having a dilemma. There's no fashion, anything, anywhere, nothing is new. Now, this is not exactly new. I'm pretty sure this has been happening, like people figured it out on their own. But my whole FYP was filled with sandwich styling method. So what exactly is that? According to my scripts here, the sandwich styling method is a fashion technique that involves strategically using color to create a balanced and harmonious look. The idea is to sandwich color in an outfit by repeating your top and bottom pieces while allowing what's at the center. I'm showing that. I'll show you my full outfits later. I think I'm following the rules. I didn't even intend to. I didn't intend to, so I did it. Anyways, the idea is to sandwich a color in an outfit by repeating it in your top and bottom layers with a contrasting color in the middle. This creates a visual symmetry to the eye. My hair is sandwich. It's my hair color sandwich. I was literally so scared about this hairstyle. I'm so happy how it came out. Shout out to my hair stylist. Not stylish, French, just hair. So how to implement the sandwich styling method? Hi guys, it's editing Akichi, and today I am attempting to style my outfits using the sandwich styling method. I am actually going for a program. So my first layer is the white shirt, of course, and I should pair it with white shoes, but I don't have that styling. So I'm just going to use my blue socks to complement the scarf on my neck. I think it works, I'm not sure. Regardless, this is it. Not exactly the right tutorial, but you get the memo, do you? Yeah. Back to the video. The benefits of the sandwich styling method are, so let's look at, I've already covered the objectives, covered the meaning, sort of. We've covered how to do it. No, we haven't, but and now we're going to cover the benefits. A very comprehensive lecture from your pretend lecturer who is also still figuring this out. So, number one, it creates visual cohesion. That's like visually it's aesthetic. That's what you want. The second one is flexibility. The third one is effortless elegance. Okay, tips for perfecting your sandwich method styling is experiment with patterns. I actually never experiment with patterns. I know right now I am literally, I have this cheetah print and, I didn't even intend to. I sort of did intend to, but different patterns makes it look more elevated, more stylish. You know what I mean? Play with textures. I am playing with textures, but not any interesting textures. I don't know what this is. Like, say I have something like board, something really loud, that would be fun, but this is okay too. And I always hear percussion used a lot whenever I'm doing any fashion research. I will get back to you guys with that, don't worry. So now it's time for me to show you what I'm wearing. back at that video, my ego is absolutely bruised. That outfit's like justified, but it was last minute and I wasn't, I just want to put something on, so this was actually what I was wearing. I should just have stuck to this. Anyways, time for the outro. Great. I don't even know what this is. I just wanted to give something that was Christmassy vibe. It's December 5th. Oh, yeah, I think it's 5th. I want this video to be out so bad by Sunday. So you guys, if I have this video out by Sunday, I deserve a reward. Why is everyone so noisy?